Birds. Learning about birds. Birds are the most beautiful creatures on earth. They are a joy to look at, and I'm sure we all love the songs that they sing to brighten up our surroundings. The bird's body is made up of head, tail, wings, and legs. Ever wanted to fly like a bird? The bird is able to fly because it is light. The bird's bones are hollow and filled with air. This makes them light and yet strong. The bird's body, too, is shaped like a boat, and so it is able to float in the air rather easily. The bird flies with the help of its wings. The wings are really the arms. The wings have feathers attached to them. These feathers help the bird to fly. The bird also has strong muscles that attach the wings to the breastbone, and they are called the flight muscles. Feathers are of two types. The down feathers help the bird to keep warm. Flight feathers are attached to the wings and tailbone. The bird's flight consists of two main movements. First, we have the upstroke when the feathers open. Then, we have the downstroke when the feathers close. The tail feathers are used to stir and break. Some birds do not fly at all. They just move around on the ground with the help of their feet. Like kiwi, ostrich, and penguins do not fly. Some birds fly only for short distances, like the hen. Some birds fly long distances. The pigeon was the first postman. Pigeons were used to carry letters from one place to another. Some birds, like the sparrow, fly very low. The eagle and the kite are birds of prey. They fly at great heights and use their extremely sharp eyes to see their prey on the ground. There are some birds that live in water. These birds have oil glands which help keep their feathers waterproof. Water birds have webbed toes to help them swim in water. Did you know that the hummingbird is the helicopter of the bird world? They beat their wings 60 to 70 times a second, and this helps them hover in the air with moving back or forward. The hummingbird is the only bird that can fly backwards. Our bird has forgotten what it needs to fly. Let's help it fly by clicking on the right option. Birds have light bodies and hollow bones to help them fly. Our bird has forgotten what it needs to fly. Let's help it fly by clicking on the right option. Birds have wings with strong muscles. Birds have light bodies and hollow bones to help them fly. We have been learning all about birds. We are going to be learning more about our feathered friends in our next section.